It's just a bad inner tie rod right here, and you hear that noise. So much play in and out. Yeah, right there. I have my tool here that I'm going to use to remove that inner tie rod. All right, so I just broke it loose. I'm just gonna get my tool out. I only paid 15 bucks for this from Princess Auto. You can buy, there's some different tools there for these inner tie rods, but they're way expensive. This does the job. So that's loose. Now I'm just gonna take it out. Just to show you here, that inner tie rod is covered with this boot. So I took that out. There's a clip here that's holding the outer side, and then inside there's a one-time use clip as well. You just push it out with a long screwdriver. I'm not using this bag. You can get new ones and just crimp them back, or just use regular zip ties. That's what usually comes with the new boot if you purchase one from any of these part stores here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just remove this. You don't have to worry about counting how many threads. It just goes all the way in. You only count when you're taking the outer tie rod, just to help you with your alignment before the vehicle gets to the alignment shop. Okay, so that's a bad inner tie rod on this vehicle. So anyways, the new one is coming, and I will put that back.